Craving unlimited breadsticks and never-ending pasta? Let's unlock that deliciousness with your Olive Garden gift card. First, head to olivegarden.com. You can use your gift card for online orders, delivery, or even just to check the balance. If you're ordering online, click that Order Now button and build your perfect Italian feast. Add all your favorites, from the classic spaghetti to those mouth-watering lasagna roll-ups. Once you're ready, proceed to checkout. In the payment section, look for the option to apply a gift card. It's usually right below where you enter your credit card information. Carefully enter the gift card number and any PIN if required. This is typically found on the back of the card. If there's a silver strip, gently scratch it off to reveal the PIN. Then click Apply to deduct gift card amount from your total. Now you'll see your new balance. If the gift card covers the entire order, you're all set. If not, you can use another payment method for the remaining amount. Alternatively, you can use your gift card at any Olive Garden restaurant. Simply present it to your server when you're ready to pay. Enjoy.